Why does your food get super hot in the microwave, but the plate often stays cool? It feels like magic, right? But it's actually just physics. Microwaves don't heat everything. They specifically target water molecules. When those microwaves hit your food, the water inside starts vibrating like crazy. And that vibration is what creates heat. That's why your leftover pizza suddenly feels like lava. But your plate? Most ceramic or glass plates don't have much water in them. No water, no vibrating molecules, no direct heating. That's why the plate seems to ignore the microwave. Now here's the fun twist. Microwave ovens do not heat evenly, but primarily substances containing water. They transfer a huge amount of energy to the soup. But since the soup contains a lot of heat, it heats up slowly. Part of this heat is immediately transferred to the plate, which is filled with heat almost instantly due to its low heat capacity. Therefore, sometimes there is a situation when the plate is hot and the soup is cold after the microwave. So next time you pull out that burning hot bowl of soup, just remember, the microwave doesn't really care about the plate. It's all about the water inside your food.